Do you want to learn how to use the AI image to image on Flexclip? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So first of all, I'm going to make videos on all of these tools one by one, and you can check it out on the playlist at the end of this video on the right. Plus, I'm also going to make a full tutorial on this, the whole Flexclip, how to use it, and it would be in there. So make sure to check it out. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to click the link in the description and purchase any of these paid plans on this website. Is going to help me out as well. So here on image to image, you need to upload an image here. I'm going to upload this one, and you need to describe your image briefly to get more accurate results. You can do that or just choose a style here on the bottom. I'm going to make it 2D vector. I'm not going to put anything here. If you want, you can put it. If you want to see something else inside it. And this is image count. So you can make it 1, 2, 3. And if you make it 1, it's going to take in 2 credits. And this is your total credits on the top right. So why I got so many credits? Because I've got the business plan on Flexclip, the third plan. And I got it on AppSumo, the lifetime deal. That's why. So now I'm going to click on generate, and we're going to see the results in a few seconds. And there you go. We've got the result here, and it looks quite different from this one. It looks a more cartoony version, and that's what we did here. We chose the 2D vector. So you can download it from here by clicking on this button or this button, and you can download it to your computer. There's also an add to media. So it's going to add the media on Flexclip. That's what it's going to do. Now I can close it from here. If you close it and you want to get it back to that generation that you did, you just go to the first button that you just clicked, AI image to image, and go to history. Now here you're going to see all the generations that you've done till now. And you can click media file over here, and it's going to add successfully to your project on the media here on the left hand side. And then you can add it as a scene like this, or you can add it as a layer, which is going to add it on top of this like this, and then you can move it around. So yeah, that's it. This is how to use the AI image to image feature on Flexclip. For more of these other tools on how to use them, I've got a playlist that will appear on the right. You can check it out. Also the full tutorial on this. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you there in the playlist on another video.